Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a chart in Google Docs. First, open Google Docs, then click on Insert and hover over Chart. We have several chart options, a bar chart, a column chart, line chart, and you can even create a pie chart. Let's create a column chart as an example. You can insert one directly from your spreadsheet as well. Google Docs allow you to link a chart from Google Sheet. This chart is also linked. Click on the three dots to open the chart source in Google Sheet where you can make edit. For example, if you want to remove team 4 or team 3 or adjust their values, you can do that here. Let's increase the point for period 2 to 75. To remove team 4, scroll up, click on the row you want to delete, right click and select delete row. For team 3 in period 2, we will also set the value to 75. If I come back to the docs, now you can see the difference reflected in the chart by clicking on update. You can customize the text and many other elements. Everything here is fully editable. And that's it. Your chart is now customized. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.